Just about every day, someone asks, "What's the comp plan? What is the cheddar? What is the cheese? How much money can we make as a member or an affiliate or both?" Okay, if I put some time and effort into this Live Good thing, all right, what can I expect? It's like, well, if I breathe in, how many cubic inches, feet, how many molecules can I put in these old lungs of mine? Okay. When it comes to time, effort, if you want to trade time, obviously for a by the hour job, then you're probably doing it. Okay. You make 25 bucks an hour, times it by 8, get 1 hour lunch that's not paid, hour to work, hour back. You're probably taking anywhere from 10 to 11 hours. Okay. To produce that 8 times 25. Okay. So you can get out a calculator and figure all this out. But when it comes to online marketing or network marketing, affiliate marketing, or Live Good, you do things. This is what I recommend, make it fun. Okay. Don't make it like heavy lifting, because at the end of the day, you can be TikToking, Instagramming, Facebooking. You might want to email, or you just might get a cell phone or a webcam. I have both. And if I'm screwing off in my car or taking a pee out in the woods, I'll maybe do a selfie video and tell everyone I'm working hard. I'm working hard watering Mother Nature, Mother Earth. But if I have a webcam on, like I do right now, I might just have a nice cold drink with you fine folks and talk about Live Good. Okay, and put it on my YouTube channel, Facebook. Okay. Now, maybe I put in a few hours, but if I recorded the video, okay, it's just always working for me 24 hours a day. But how much am I going to make? I don't know. You can't figure that out, and you shouldn't worry about it. Okay? If you're having fun and you're producing content, okay, and sooner or later, I think you're going to realize I'm kind of having fun and I'm getting good at this. And I believe that when people think you're comfortable on camera or emailing them like you're a friend, not talking at them, not making them fear, I think it's called scarcity. It's like you want to scare people into, oh my gosh, you better rank up to bank up. Man, you just gotta grind. Take 2 years of your life and you just grind. Saw blades, I don't know, sandpaper your nipples. Okay. I don't do that. If you join my team or my group, okay, I want you to relax. I want you to make this fun and entertaining. Because if you're entertained and you're having fun, okay, you're not counting the hours. And if you do, I think you're going to be highly frustrated and bummed out, and you might even quit. But guys, this is an awesome opportunity. Live Good is just cool. It has great products. Okay. Just go to livegood.com. You can check out all the products. Go to the FAQ. You can get a lot of questions on your mind, probably answered. And go to the affiliate pay plan link at the bottom. Just click away and watch the video of the pay plan and look at the products and just see if this is even something that'll wet your whiz hole. Okay? If your whiz hole is wet, sometimes that can be irritating or fun. Some people pay for that privilege. Is that a privilege, or is that something that you just do when you kind of have a hankering for some fun? Okay? But you can't make money claims, okay, when you do these types of businesses, or especially if you're doing a video. All you can do is just give advice. Mine is make it fun. Join if you can afford it. If you have $49.95, come aboard. If you have $100, $99.95, you can join for the year. You get 12 months for the price of 10. Guys, with Live Good, it's $40. Two $20 bills. That's it. $40. And you can work hard or work part-time. You can grind if that's something that makes you feel good. But I just want you to relax and have fun and make this entertaining. Because if you are a little entertaining, I think you're going to get some friends and people are going to want to join you. No doom and gloom. You don't have to do that with Live Good. You're trying to live good and live great. Our products are designed to make you feel better, look better, live longer. And the affiliate program is designed to be affordable for anybody. From California right over to Alabama, up to Canada, across the pond, to our friends in England. Go way down below, brother. Go to New Zealand, Australia, all right? And a little chunk of dirt called Asia. There's a few billion, trillion over there. And Africa, okay? We're a worldwide business. You're going to attract people worldwide if you want to do video like this. If you're going to email, okay, I can show you how I email. I'm almost doing 100,000 per day with 6 online opportunities that all make money. LiveGood is just one. And everything I do complements LiveGood. I hope you look into other opportunities that get you clicks and leads and traffic. People that want to join LiveGood, but they want to be interesting and entertaining and get people to know, like, or trust them. All right? I'll tell you exactly what I do. Guys, just with my money that I make with LiveGood, I can live off that. I can live off my other 4 or 5 incomes. Normally, 1 or 2 weeks in, I'm done. I am 100% ready to pay my bills by mid-month. So by October 1st to 15th, I've got enough money to pay all of my bills, including this radio station man cave. I'm talking electricity and some water, gasoline, insurance, darn cell phone bill. Got to have some Wi-Fi access, right? And you probably need some baby wipes because you probably poop after you eat. Okay, you might need some hot water to shower once in a while. Okay, so if you want to join LiveGood, man, I hope you do. Don't complicate it, all right? Somehow, with only a 1.5 years experience, right now I'm about number 27 in the company out of 1.7 million. Guys, it didn't happen by accident. It just doesn't, okay? What I did is I just got business cards. Okay, I went to Vistaprint. I just bought joincory.com at GoDaddy, and I forwarded it to the LiveGood capture page. You guys check it out. I don't need to show you on the screen. Just do it. Just click joincory.com, and you'll figure it out. Okay? And that's it. I'm all over YouTube. I'm all over Facebook. Cory at corydraper.com. I've had the same email address for almost 40 years. I've had the same cell phone number, the same. If we need to talk, then let's do it. But if not, then go to joincory.com, watch the 6-minute video with our CEO, and just see if this is even something remotely interesting to you. And if you want to buy the products, great. You got 3 months. All right? Buy the heck out of them. Keep them a couple months on the shelf and in your guts. And if you just think they're average or, I don't know, just something they give you the ick, you got 3 months, guys. Just send back an empty container, part of the package. Get your money back. Okay? It's pretty cool. That's how I became a fan of LiveGood, because I was buying the Super Reds and the Super Greens, 2 products. Try the amino acid fruit punch too. And there's another 35 products that we sell as well. So anyway, let's just take baby steps. Joincory.com. I just want you to go there real quick. And if you join me, you're going to drop your cards all over your Wang Chung. And I'm going to show you how easy you can make this. You can make it a pain in the ass. You can make it work where you hate posting online, or you can make it entertaining and fun. Let's make it entertaining and fun. Okay? And I definitely want you to make some cheddar, some moolah. Okay? All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I should have some videos popping up by my head right now. Okay, take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.